Hello, amazing artists. We are going to finish up our line and shape project. So you're gonna need a big piece of colorful paper. You're gonna need your lines and shapes that you drew on last time, and you're gonna need more magic crayons, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors for today. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your line paper, and just like that time when we practiced cutting on lines, you're gonna cut out all of your lines. And then, after you've cut out all your lines, and don't worry, I'm not gonna make you watch me cut out all of them. Zelda, shh. After you cut out all your lines, then you're gonna cut out your shapes. Once you have all of your shapes and lines cut out, then you're going to glue them to a colorful background. So you're gonna get your colorful background, and first thing you're gonna do is write your name on it and flip it over. And then you're going to start gluing down your lines and your shapes onto your colorful background. Now, it's possible that you might not use all of them, and that is totally okay if you don't use all of them. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna see which of my lines do I want to use. And I can always overlap them if I want to. And then I'm gonna look and see which of my shapes do I want to use. And I'm gonna overlap some of my shapes. And then once I've decided that I like the way something looks, then I'm gonna start gluing things down. So I'm gonna take my paper, I'm gonna flip it over to the side that doesn't have any drawing on it. I'm gonna put some glue on it and then flip it back over. I'm gonna move these out of the way so that I can glue this one down because I had some overlapping going on. And then I'm gonna glue it back down. And then I'm gonna put this back here and I'm gonna glue it down, and I'm just gonna go through and glue all my stuff down. There's all of my lines, and here's some of my shapes. And again, you might not use all of your lines and shapes, and that's okay. I still have a few left over, but I'm happy with what I have. Now I'm gonna take some magic crayons, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna draw some designs on my base paper, my orange paper. And I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna draw up against whatever it is I've got there. And I can trace along my things that I glued down or not. That's up to me, what I wanna do. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna add some lines to make it really pretty. And then once my whole paper is totally full of lines, I'll be done. So I know you don't want to watch me do this for the rest of class. So I'm gonna stop. You're gonna go get to work and we will get started.